Combining intelligent controls with some of the highest quality hardware available on the market, Columbus McKinnon presents its first smart actuator, the Duff Norton SPA linear actuator with IntelliMotion technology. Let's talk about some of the application problems our smart actuator can solve. For many applications, there is limited space to install large components or panels that will interface with an actuator. The SPA with IntelliMotion has a small footprint because it features onboard variable frequency drive and control circuitry. Plus, with the available communication options, you can connect to a PLC without any intermediary components. Once pre-programming is completed, you can simply plug in the smart actuator to a power source and connect to a PLC to begin operation. When running in high-duty cycle operations, oftentimes operation has to be paused to allow a linear actuator to cool down from the heat generated by the motor. Featuring an improved full load duty cycle, the time SPA with IntelliMotion can operate has been extended, which reduces the need for wait times or external forced cooling devices. Sometimes it can be time-consuming and complicated to set mechanical limits on an actuator because they wear out quickly and require additional hardware. Our smart actuator uses electronic programmable limit switches that define specific stopping points. They provide greater precision and an increased ability to repeat motions as compared to mechanical limit switches. If a fault happens while an actuator is operating, it can take a long time to diagnose the problem and fix it. We've made this easier. The SPA with IntelliMotion can be connected to your PC to easily check your actuator status, make adjustments, and troubleshoot as needed. Sometimes there is a need to adjust parameters to meet changing process needs. Using the configuration software, you can easily modify the smart actuator's speed and other parameters to compensate for changes while the actuator is operating. To learn more about our smart actuator and how it can benefit you, visit www.columbusmckinnon.com/Duff Norton.